In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Show/Hide filters with a button in Tableau. Whether you're sprucing up the interactivity of your dashboard or simply organizing your workspace, these steps will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and transform your dashboard experience. First things first, you'll want to launch the Tableau app on your computer. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool, and if you already have it installed, simply open it up. Once you're in, you're ready to begin incorporating these interactive features. Now, let's access your worksheet or dashboard. Navigate to the particular project you want to enhance with this functionality. This is where you'll create the magic of toggling filters, so make sure you're in the right location to start making changes. If your layout doesn't already have a container, you'll want to drag a container into the worksheet. This container acts as a holder for the filters you plan to show or hide, so it's an essential step. If you're not familiar with containers, think of them like a frame in which you'll place the elements that need to be hidden or displayed. Once the container is set up, place the filters you would like to control inside this container. This means simply dragging and dropping them into the area you designated as the container. Doing so will ensure that whenever you use the button you're going to create, all the filters inside this container will be affected. Next, you'll need to click on the drop-down arrow located on the filter container and select Add Show Hide button. This step creates a button that can toggle the visibility of whatever is inside the container. Adding this button is what gives you the control to hide or reveal the filters with just a click. Now that you've added a button, position it in your desired area within the dashboard. You can drag it to wherever makes the most sense for your design and workflow. Resizing the button to suit your aesthetic preferences or usability requirements is also a good idea, as it ensures the button is prominent yet harmoniously fits your dashboard's design. Finally, after positioning and resizing the button, press and hold the Alt key and click on the button to test its functionality. This simple test allows you to ensure that your filters are indeed hiding and showing as expected when the button is activated. Testing this interaction will confirm everything's in place and working smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a button that adds amazing interactivity to your Tableau dashboard. Feel free to experiment with different placements and container arrangements to find the setup that best fits your needs. Happy visualizing!